In this lecture, we will learn about octal number system. Octal number system. The octal numeral system, or oct for short, is the base 8 number system and uses the digits from 0 to 7 to create any octal number. Octal and hexadecimal data types are integer types that are available in most computer languages. They provide a convenient notation for the construction of integer values in the binary number system. After CPUs converted to bit size of 32 and 64 bit, octal was no longer utilized because though both are still divisible by 8, they can also be divided by 16, which is far more efficient. So how do we count using octal numbers? So the base or radix of octal number system is 8. That is, we use 8 different numbers or symbols to create any octal number, and these symbols are from number 0 to number 7. So all of these numbers are used to create any octal number. So we count like our decimal number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But what after 7? We get run out of our digits, right? So 8 cannot be the next number because 8 does not belong to the set of the symbols to create any octal number system. So how to find out what comes after 8? The rule is add 1 to the left and start from the initial symbol, right? So add 1 to the left and start from the initial symbol, which is 0. So 10 will be the next number after 7 instead of 8 in the octal number system. So what comes after 7 in the octal number system? 10. As the rule says that add 1 to the left and start from the initial one. So 1 0, then after 0 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 7, again 1 8. Now 1 8 cannot be in the octal number system or cannot be the next number after 17 because it contains 8 at 0th position, which does not belongs to our symbol set. So what we need to do now? If we run out of digits in this 0th place, first of all find out what comes after this 7 in the octal number system. What comes after 7? 10, right? So 0, and this 1 in this 10 will be carry forwarded to the next number. So now this number has a carry, right? So this number has a carry. So find out what comes after 1 in the octal number system. 2. So write 2 here. So 20 will be the next number after 17 in the octal number system. Then it goes on like 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and so on. Now let's see what will come after 27. Is it 28? No, because it contains 8 at 0th position. Now remember one thing, if the number contains any digit that does not belong to our symbol set for the octal number system, the number does not belongs to octal number system. So instead, if it 28, if it would be 82 instead of 28, again it contains 8 irrespective of its place in the number. 8 does not belong to octal number system because it contains 8. So 8, 9, these symbols, if the number contains, then the numbers does not belong to octal number system. Now if 28 is not the next number after 27, what would be the next number? How to calculate? 27. Now remember, start with the 0th place. First of all, find out what comes after 7 in the octal number system. What comes after 7? 10, right? So the 0 will be here. Now 7 has a number in front of it. So the 1 in the 10th will be carry forwarded for this 2. Now this 2 has a carry. Remember, the rule says that if the number has a carry, find out the next number in the respective number system. Otherwise, write down the number itself as it is. So now this 2 has a carry. So find out what comes after 2 in the octal number system. 3. So 3 will be the written as here. Now 30 will be the next number after 27 in the octal number system, and so on. Now let's find out what comes after 77. As 78 cannot be the next number in the octal number system after 77. So what comes after 77? Find out first for this 7. So what comes after 7? 10, right? So 0, 1 will be carry forwarded because there is a number in front of this 7. Now this 7 has a carry. So again find out what comes after 7 in the octal number system. 10. Now this 7 has no number in front of it or ahead of it. So the 10 will be written as it is. This one will not be carry forwarded because there is no number to forward the carry. So 100 will be the next number after 77 in the octal number system, and this goes on. Like this. Now here the examples are given, like how it goes on. After 117 there will be no 118 or 119, there will be 120 directly. So how to find out that? 117, next number, start with 0th digit. So what comes after 7? 10, 0. Now this 7 has a number ahead of it, so the 1 in this 10 will be carry forwarded. Now this 1 has a carry, so find out what comes after 1? 2 in the octal number system, so 2. Now this 1 has no carry, right? So this 1 will be written as it is. So 120 will be the next number after 117 in the octal number system, and this goes on. Now here for 777, let's find out how 1000 is the next number after 777 in the octal number system. Let's find out how. 777. For this 7, 0th 7, find out what comes after 7. 10. Now this 7 has a number ahead of it, so 1 will be carry forwarded. Now this 7 has a carry, so again find out what comes after 7. 10. So 0 here. Now this 7 has a number ahead of it, so 1 will be carry forwarded of this 10. Then this 7 has a carry, so again find out what comes after 7. Now this 7 has a no number ahead of it, so 10 will be as it is. So 1000 is the next number after 777 as shown here, and this goes on. So this is how we count using octal number system.